Welcome to our complete guide on Loyalfans for 2025. Whether you're an aspiring content creator or a seasoned pro, this platform is packed with potential. Let's dive in. Setting up your profile is the first step to success. Make sure to choose a clear, engaging profile picture and write a concise bio that reflects your brand. Engaging your audience is key. Share behind-the-scenes content, tutorials, and personal stories to keep them coming back for more. Finding the right subscription price can be tricky. Research similar creators and consider offering tiered pricing to maximize your audience. Promotion is vital. Utilize social media platforms, collaborate with other creators, and engage in targeted ads to boost visibility. Don't overlook the built-in features. Use scheduling tools, live streams, and exclusive content to provide value to your subscribers. Understanding your data is crucial for growth. Regularly check analytics to adjust your approach based on what works. Explore diverse monetization options, from merchandise to pay-per-view content, to maximize your earnings on Loyalfans. As we look ahead to 2025, anticipate shifts in user engagement and feature enhancements that keep Loyalfans at the forefront of content creation.